Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to delete a story on Snapchat. It's a quick and easy process, so let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Next, tap on your profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Here you'll see under the My Stories section, tap on the story you want to delete. Now your story will start playing. To access the options, tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner of the screen. In the options menu, you'll see several choices. Tap on delete to remove this story. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure you want to delete the story. Tap delete again to confirm. And that's it, your story has been deleted. You can go back to your profile to see that it's no longer there. We hope you find this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.